Hello everyone, so in today's video I want to install Terraform on Fedora Server 42. I will use the official documentation, so let me connect to my Fedora Server. Don't get confused by the name, I also have Ansible on this one. So got OS etc OS release, and we have Fedora 42. Okay, let's see, we don't have Terraform, right? Double tap, doesn't show up anything. Or we can use which Terraform, and there is nothing. Okay, so let's see it. First we need to, this will create the repo, I believe. Control C and just paste it here. It does need my password. Okay, let's see. Clear. Now the next command is directly to install, but let's see. Sudo dnf info Terraform. Do we see something? Okay, so we have the 1.13.5, so that is, I believe, the latest one. Yeah, this is the latest one. Okay, and then just DNF install. Okay, that we know how to do. DNF install the form, and we accept. Oh no, let's not accept. Let's see what dependencies. What? Super user. Oh yes, of course. Sudo. Okay, and it is installing a lot of stuff. A lot. I honestly don't see Terraform here, but nevertheless. Okay, let's say we want this. Okay, of course we accept those two. Okay, here, this one installed it. Okay, clear. Let's see, Terraform. Do we have auto completion? Yes. Okay, latest version, and let's do an init, even though we don't have any TF files. Okay, so it works, and it was pretty straightforward. You can also do it manually if you do not want all those dependencies to be installed. It will still work. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this type of video.